These days, many laundry detergents can be placed directly in the drum along with your washing. But what about fabric softener? Where you should put fabric softener depends on whether you own a front-loading or top-loading washing machine. All front-loading washing machines will have a dispenser drawer that is used to add any laundry products to the machine. This drawer will contain 3 separate compartments, one for the detergent, one for fabric softener, and one for pre-wash products. The one for fabric softener is labelled as 3 and will typically have a star or flower symbol on it. Once you have located the correct compartment, you simply need to pour in the required amount of fabric softener before starting your wash cycle. Your washing machine will then release the softener into the drum at the right point in the cycle. Top-loading washing machines have varying ways of adding fabric softeners to the appliance. Some models will have a dispenser drawer like that found on front-loading machines. However, if your washing machine doesn't have a dispenser drawer, you have to add your fabric softener directly to the drum. This is the most common way of adding softener to a top-loading washing machine, as the design of the appliance means you can add the product to the drum at the correct point during the cycle. The best time for pouring in the softener is during the rinse cycle. Avoid adding your fabric softener to the drum before this point, as it needs to be diluted by the water in the machine to ensure it is evenly distributed throughout your clothing. I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.